Hey guys, welcome back. It's Kenya with BK Trading Academy. I'm in the live New York session and I am going to be going over a live opportunity for scalping with KiSS 2.0 strategy. This is an amazing strategy and I haven't done an update in a while. There's a 65-page training manual. If you go to our website, bktradingacademy.com, click on products, you'll see that there is a 65-page training manual, lots of testimonials, illustrations, risk management, everything you need to be profitable with this strategy. And you can also couple this with content on our YouTube. Excellent. Optional, but I highly recommend it. A lot of students have profited with this strategy over the years, and even a lot of you who have followed, and it has consistently turned a profit. So let me just kind of show you exactly the opportunity and how I am scalping this right now. Now, KiSS 2.0 is a scalping and intraday method. The very first thing we want to do is always find our directional bias. So on GBP USD on the daily, we've been making higher highs and higher lows. You can see that previously we were in a downtrend. We actually broke the downtrend structure right here. So we broke above this high here and we continue to make a new high. So looking at what price is doing right now, once that structure was broken, we had to switch our bias. So here is our structure. We have a low, we have a high, we have a higher low, we have a higher high, we have a higher low, and we haven't quite gotten a new high just yet, but we've gotten a push down with over 200 pips back into a previous structure that was broken. So considering this, our bias, our directional bias is bullish, and we want to be looking for the opportunity to buy. So now that price is rolling back into this area of previous structure, we want to look for confirmation. So notice here, sometimes when you're trying to determine where you should actually buy or sell, and you have a zone like this with GBP pairs, they wick very aggressively. So notice here, you have daily support, you have daily resistance, you have daily resistance, you have daily resistance. So this is why I'm using a rectangle that is pretty wide, because I'm telling myself that this is an important reversal zone. And if the price moves within the zone, I want to be looking for a trading opportunity. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring up my KiSS confirmation. So once price reaches your area of value, you want to then put your KiSS confirmations on here. So I'm just going to, oops, sorry about that. I'm just going to move my chart over here so we can see the daily. And now we can see our KiSS chart. So on the 5-minute, and I know you guys are going to ask, what are your indicator settings? So for the Bollinger Band, I use a 20 close and 2. For the RSI, I use a 7 and close. For the stochastic, 533. And for my MACD is 3, 10, and 9. Okay, so those are my settings right there. So on the 5-minute, we had a 5-minute confirmation here. So usually I like to see a nice strong 5-minute Bollinger Band confirmation, something like this. So this was a confirmation here previously. Look how everything is beautifully aligned. You have your price outside of the Bollinger Band. Price is at the 20 level of the RSI, which is good. It should be at least at the 30 level, but I like it to be at least at the 20 level. Okay, and then everything else is aligned as well. So notice right now on our 5-minute, we already pretty much had a confirmation. However, remember I told you that this is a very important reversal zone. So I know that the price could come somewhere within this zone and react. Considering that, I don't want to be so much concerned with how much profit I'm making. I more so want to be concerned with protecting my capital. So that's the very first thing that I always teach students to prioritize first is how much are you going to risk? So based on 1 to 2% of your account, where would your final stop loss or hard stop loss be? So what I'm telling myself is, because I know this is a strong reversal zone, if the price pushes about 40 pips within the zone, I want to enter my buys here. So you could wait and set a limit order, a buy limit order. But because we see on the 5-minute that we already have wick rejection, we had our RSI at the 20 level, stochastic was at the 20 level and pointed upward, and we had a MACD cross. Once this MACD crosses, your 5-minute is confirmed. Boom, look how you moved into profit. So from that wick, from this support wick all the way to the resistance, it went 21 pips in profit, okay? 21 pips in profit within 15 minutes. And now what happens when this 5-minute MACD crosses, usually what will happen is that this pattern will complete on the 15 minutes. So once this 5-minute MACD crosses, I then cross to the 15-minute time frame, and here's your beautiful 15-minute confirmation. So you have a wick rejection here. Look at this nice wick rejection. Now the price is just pulling back, so you don't have to be scared of this right here. The price is just pulling back. What you'll notice is that you will see this pattern almost every single time you trade. So this is what will give you confidence to trade it, but you need to journal it and you need to study your outcomes. So this is your 15-minute, right? If we are scalping, we could be scalping the zone right now, going in with a slightly lower lot size. And what we would do is if the price push a little, so say you got in right now at like 10 cents a pip, right? You closed out a few positions. You made, let's say you got in here, you made a few, let's say you got in with like 3 positions at 10 cents a pip. You made about $3. But let's say you got in with 10 cents a pip and the price continued further into the zone. So let's say you got in here and the price continued to drop about 40 pips. Well, on 10 cents a pip, that's only negative $4. So if you went in with a dollar lot size here and you were able to use that lot size, you could quickly make that drawdown up on that first position and be in profit. Now, if you get in with a dollar lot size, where would you drop your stop loss? So I like to use the 50-period moving average, just a simple moving average, and price is above my 50-period moving average. So this is acting as dynamic support for me. So what I want to see is that the price will give me a reaction and continue upward, and I'm going to be scalping this zone upon confirmation. So right now, look at our 15-minute. I told you the price will roll back and then we will usually see it continue upward. So when it pulls back, this is where I usually will enter more positions. So if it pulls back at least halfway of the candle, I usually will enter more positions here, and then I pretty much will ride that wave. So look at that. Beautiful, right? I'm going to go ahead and close some profits in my MetaTrader 4 right now, so bear with me. But yeah, I wanted to show you this in live time so that you guys could see just an update on this particular strategy. Again, if you're new to this, it is an amazing strategy. I use it daily. I've been using it daily for the past few years. And you can go back over our YouTube and actually see the growth and consistency. A lot of traders that we trade with, they trade with me one-on-one. You guys know the consistency of the strategy. It absolutely works and it's amazing. So if you're looking for a scalping or intraday strategy, this is it. You don't have to look no further because this strategy is consistent and will turn you an amazing profit if you stick with it. So I hope that you found this helpful. I just wanted to show you guys this live update on KiSS 2.0 strategy. If you want the opportunity to trade live with us daily, Tuesday through Thursday in the market, where we can show you how to be consistently profitable, check out our academy in the description. There's also information on our public Telegram as well, and all kinds of great stuff. So guys, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching. I hope you end your day on a blue note, and I will see you in the next training video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell.